Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this I will show you how to make your rectangular shape or any shape you are drawing on your MT5 to be transparent. You understand? Because there are some people when you try to draw your shape or anything in your MT5, it won't be transparent, just like this one. Okay, wait, let me draw my rectangular shape. If I draw my rectangular shape like this, you see that the rectangular shape have covered of this the whole of the candlesticks. You want to make it transparent so that the candlestick will show itself, and also the rectangular shape or any object you are drawing on the screen will also show itself. This is what you will do. First of all, you go ahead and draw the shape you want to draw. Let's say I want to draw my rectangular shape. This is my rectangular shape. After drawing the rectangular shape, next thing you do is just to click on this pencil icon here. Click on this pencil icon there to show it to take this particular interface. Here is where you can do unnecessary changes or setting on that shape or anything that is on your screen that you touched. So on my rectangular shape, I want to this place I want to make it transparent. So my rectangular shape, I want to make it transparent. So what you do now is just this place where they wrote draw as background. Now just go ahead and tick on it. You understand? Once you tick on it, then next thing you do is just click on save. This is where they wrote save. Click on save, then you see that it's now transparent. You can see your candlestick and as well see the rectangular shape. That's how to do it. So, but in case you don't want to see the candlestick, you can still touch on it again, then press that pencil icon and then untick the draw as background. Once you've untick it, then click on save. You see that it have covered the shape again. So if you're having this particular issue, just go to MT4, tick on it, click on the pencil background, and then tick it as draw as background and go ahead and click on save. Once you've done that, then the shape will be transparent for you to see your candlestick. Also that are making analysis. So this is just how to do it, guys. Very, very simple.
Okay, guys, just a quick one. I have a Telegram community where I always drop free signal, and in this Telegram community, we are profitable. Here, we trade currency pairs and derive synthetic indices, we trade currency pairs and synthetic indices. And the broker we are using here is Derive Broker. Just in case if you are new to Derive Broker that accept currency pairs, the very tight spread and synthetic indices, the link to sign up with Derive Broker is in the description of this particular video. So sign up with Derive Broker, and then join our community. Let us print this money together. And I also have a copy trading system, but all those information will follow once you join my Telegram community after signing up with Derive Broker. And then if this video was helpful and you've learned how to rectify the issue of your objects not being transparent on your MT5, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this particular channel. See my video, guys. Bye bye.